Guys, it's Starlight here with Kitsune, and we're here at this beautiful park, and we have pretty much this whole area to ourselves. Lovely. So this is going to be a quick one because I want to explore this area some more. There is a Japanese garden somewhere around here that I also would like to explore. Be better because all I'm wearing is flip-flops. But either way, still gonna explore. Today we're gonna do steak, eggs, and asparagus. So let's get started. Alright guys, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna blanch off the asparagus. So go ahead and get your pot of water on. Get it to a nice rolling boil. You can add salt in there if you wish. Once that gets to boiling, go ahead and add in your asparagus for about 3 minutes. This steak I let marinate overnight with just olive oil and minced garlic. What we're going to do now is add some pepper and some salt. And keep the flies away from it. I'm going to season both sides. Here, baby. I'm gonna let it rest. We're gonna get to it after we're done with the asparagus. Water's good and boiling. Go ahead and add your asparagus in. Make sure they're covered in the water. Like I said, let it go for about 3 minutes. Once 3 minutes are up, go ahead and get your asparagus out. And put them in the water. That's going to shock it and stop the cooking process of it. So it won't be all nasty and mushy when you go to cook it up. Now normally you're supposed to put ice in it, but I didn't stop to get any ice. We're going to heat up a pan with a mixture of olive oil and butter. So that way you can go ahead and cook our steaks and asparagus. Once your butter starts to smell like popcorn, your pan is ready. Go ahead and add that steak in. Listen to it, stay going. I know you want some of this, but you can't have it. Got something special for you, though. I wish you could smell it. Look at all that fat. To flip the steak over, go ahead and add your asparagus. Make sure you're saying it better than I did. Turn it down a little bit. Go ahead and add a little bit more olive oil, salt, and pepper. While that's done, you can go ahead and get this pan ready for your eggs. He's miserable on that leash. Come here, Kitsune. Come here. Come here, my demonic. He's my demonic little baby. Yes, you is my demonic little baby. There you go. You're free. You're free. For the most part. Kinda. Sorta. On the hunt. He's on the prowl. For what? I don't know. He's looking for something. Look at that. I recovered from technical difficulties. I don't sell propane or propane accessories, so I don't know what that noise was. So here we go. Down to one burner. myself up to 2 eggs. You can do them any way you like. I prefer mine sunny side up. And that, my lovelies, is how it's done. Go ahead and dig in. I know I'm about to. Of course, he's got his little treat over there. Puppy's happy. I'm happy. Time to dig in. And as always, guys, stay hungry for adventure. 'Cause it's out there waiting for you. So sadly, I wasn't able to check out the Zen garden. They don't allow pets in there, and I'm not leaving little Kitsune in the car. So, time to unpack, wash up, because I forgot my water. Like a dumbass. Alright. That's all, guys. Bye.